If you click on this video, I know you want to be a trader and you want to be a good one at that. So I'm just going to show you a simple system, a very simple 1, 2, 3 system. Because if you're going to be a really good trader, you're going to need a system, and this is the simplest system I can give you to go into the market and find your way. With this system, you can work with it for some time, backtest it, and then go with it on paper trading for maybe a week or a month, and then you can also make your own model out of it once you understand it. But first, you have to understand the system first, right? So I'm going to start at the start of this up move, right? What I call this the map. You need a map when you're going to the lower time frame. For the system, you need 3 or 2 time frames, a higher time frame and a lower time frame, and you're going to be trading on one direction. If the higher time frame is going up or going higher, you're going to be focusing on buying. If the higher time frame is selling, you're going to be focusing on selling when you're going onto your lower time frames. It's a very simple, easy system. So what you're going to need is I'm going to be trading on this week, this one, which is on the 5th of January 2025, which is when gold started rallying up. So you're going to mark the week with a vertical line. The week that you're going to be trading, you mark it with a vertical line. For that week, you know that the previous week was an up close candle, so you're looking for a buy. You're buying into the continuation of the move. That's what the system is based on. So what you need to mark is the high of the previous candle, like that, and also I'm going to copy that, and you mark the low of the previous candle as well, and that's okay. You mark the closing price and the opening price of that weekly candle. After that, you are going to have to go to the lower time frame, which is the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame. So the vertical line represents when the week ended. So that vertical line is on a Friday of the previous week. Monday was a down close candle. When you see a down close candle, you do not buy. You see a down close candle, you do not buy. Why don't you buy? Because the higher time frame is going up, and the down move is just it's a manipulation, right? It's a psyop, if you understand what I'm saying. So you are going to wait for one bullish candle. The first bullish candle, you're going to wait for it. We are waiting for one up closed candle. This system is going to take you to what trading it really is. And if you understand the system, I trust in my heart that you're going to make a very good trader. So first week, on Monday, the first candle, you can see this candle is this one. It's a sell. How does that candle close? Is closed as a down close candle. We're looking for an up close candle, and Tuesday, as you can see, we got the up close candle. So when do we start pressing the button? You start pressing a button when you see the first up closed candle, like on Tuesday. So on Tuesday we had an up close candle. Now we can anticipate to buy the next candle. So how do we do that? We buy at the opening. You're going to have to set an alarm to wake up for the opening price. You have to find out what time does the new candle opens. So this strategy can work on any time frames, but if you're new, just use the higher time frame so that you don't get confused and end up trading a lot and having a lot of losing trades. That will demotivate you at the beginning. You do not need that, but the system has got a higher win rate than most. So when the market is buying like this, you do not want to find yourself selling. No matter what your evil twin tells you, you do not want to find yourself selling. So where can you put your stop loss? If you buy there, you can put your stop loss under there and then hold. You can hold until the end of the week, or you can hold for a certain risk to reward. It depends on to you on what you want to do. But that move, only that move, you can see it made about 4,000 and you are risking 1,600 on one trade. So I think that's a good risk to reward, and this system is designed in a way that it will stop you from doing certain things. And if you go back to your trades after you've taken demo trades and go to the lower time frames, it will teach you a lot of things that you're supposed to know about price action. It will teach you about the market. Believe me. If you don't believe me, it's okay. So you can go ahead and use indicators. I don't mind. I'm just sharing this because I just feel like helping out. I feel like being a good person. So sometimes I use the Fibonacci, and you can see right there where it's written SL. That's where I usually put my stop loss if I do not want to open up my risk that much. Like if I want to use a larger what do I call this? If I want to open a large position and I wanted to take advantage of the stop loss of the range right there of the market move, I'll just imagine if I had opened as you can see, if I open a large position and put my stop loss right there under the candle, I would have a 1,500 stop loss. But if I put my stop loss right under here, I have 439. But if I take that 1,500 and put it at my 1,000, I put it on the and increase my lot size, but I risk 1,500. Guess how much money I would have made if the market comes here? I would have made a lot of money. That's risk management. To understand that, if you don't understand that, just continue following this channel. I'll give you a risk management system. So this is the system I am talking about. I hope you understood everything I was trying to show you. If you didn't, you can watch the video again a couple of times and jot down some notes on what I said. Go and back test. You can work on any time frame, any market you want to trade. This works. So good luck and good trading.